Okay, everyone by now knows enough of the basic commands where you can start to shift your focus away from the process and shift it towards visualization, which will help make you more efficient. So by shifting away from process, I mean shifting away from where do you click to find the commands, what order do you execute them, that kind of thing, and shift it into visualizing the composite geometry of the object before you start to sketch anything. This will help you be more efficient. So first thing we're going to do is change our units to inches for this model. And basically we're going to sketch an orthographic top view of this object. Okay. And something that is helpful is if you type in your dimensions as you're going, it can definitely speed you up. 1.5, tab key, 2.5. Okay. And rather than close this sketch and start extruding, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the whole orthographic top view. That way I can basically create my model from one sketch. So we need fillets on these corners. I can select them all at once. Put in my radius, which I've read from the drawing. Okay. Since I already filleted the corners, I can use these center points to put in the holes. 0.25. Okay. And then if I were looking at this as an orthographic top view, this is how I would see that piece right there. All right, so now I've got everything I need. That's my orthographic top view. So one thing that Fusion is good about that other programs were not as good about is letting you reuse these sketches. I've already extruded it, now I can't see the sketch. But if I click the little eye right here, which used to be a light bulb, now it's an eyeball, I can still see that sketch and I can go back and extrude that other part. And now I've got most of my shape done. So it's a matter of using the fillet command again. Okay. And actually, I lied. I actually need two sketches. Need that circle right here, which is 0.5. Okay, and so that circle is not quite lined up. All these constraints up here are geometric constraints that you need to learn how to harness their power because it makes life a lot easier. So I want this circle to be concentric with that arc right there. Easy enough. All done.